Having a primary relative with a breast cancer, having multiple previous breast biopsies and abnormal mammograms.
These are just a few of the risks that doctors say can increase your chances of breast cancer, but there are some that aren't as well known.
The early age of starting your period, late age of menopause, not having a baby before the age of 30.
For patients who have been diagnosed and undergone a mastectomy, doctors say there's still a 5% chance that the cancer can come back.
I let them know that they're not eliminating the risk of recurrence by having a mastectomy.
Living a healthy lifestyle can help lower your risk for developing breast cancer.
We know that physical activity makes a difference. We know that breastfeeding makes a difference, but most people aren't really aware that nutrition can play a role in that too.
Maintaining a healthy weight and limiting alcohol can also put the odds in your favor.
The more alcohol you consume, the more increased risk of not just breast cancer, but all cancers. When you have higher intakes of alcohol, you have lower methylfolate, and that means less elimination of carcinogens and a decreased ability for your body to repair damaged cells.
Doctors also encourage women to do self-breast exams and get yearly mammograms after the age of 40.
I think there's some hesitation of people to get mammography because they think that they're going to get a lot of radiation exposure, and it's really like a very low amount of radiation exposure from mammography, so it's a very safe option for people.
Mammograms can help find tumors that you can't see or feel, allowing doctors to catch breast cancer early. Knowing your risks can help you take preventative measures to protecting your health. For Lea Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.